Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Fluent English. I'm Priya.
And I'm Rohan. Today's topic is very practical and useful. My daily routine.
Yes, talking about your daily routine is one of the most common conversations in English. Friends, family, teachers, and even interviewers often ask, "What is your daily routine?" or "How do you spend your day?"
Exactly. So today we will show you how to talk about your routine in a natural and clear way. Priya, can you tell us about your daily routine?
Sure. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then I go for a short walk for about 20 to 25 minutes. After coming back, I take a shower and get ready. I have breakfast around 8 o'clock, usually oats or toast with eggs. Then I start my work.
That sounds healthy. What do you do during the day?
From 9 to 1, I usually teach English classes online or prepare lessons. After lunch, I reply to messages, record short videos, or practice speaking. In the evening, I try to finish my work by 6 or 6:30. Then I spend some time reading or writing in my journal. I have dinner with my family around 8, and I usually go to bed by 10:30.
That's a well-planned routine. Let me share mine. I wake up a bit earlier, around 6 o'clock. I do yoga or light exercise for 30 minutes. After that, I take a shower and have breakfast. I leave for work by 8:30. My work usually starts at 9:30 and finishes around 6 in the evening.
Do you take any breaks during work?
Yes, of course. I take a short tea break around 11 and lunch break at 1:30. In the evening, after work, I sometimes go to the gym or play cricket with friends. On other days, I just come home, relax, and watch something in English. I have dinner at 8:30 and try to sleep by 11.
That's nice. Both of us have different routines, but we both try to keep some time for health and learning.
Yes. Now let's have a natural conversation so our viewers can practice.
Okay. Rohan, what's your typical day like?
Well, my day usually starts early. I wake up at 6, exercise for half an hour, and then get ready for work. I reach the office by 9:30. The morning is usually busy with meetings and tasks. After lunch, I focus on important work. I leave the office around 6 and sometimes go to the gym. By 9, I'm home having dinner with my family. What about your day, Priya?
My day is a little different because I work from home. I wake up at 6:30, go for a walk, and start work by 9. Most of my morning is spent teaching or preparing lessons. After lunch, I do lighter work like checking messages or recording. In the evening, I try to relax. Sometimes I read, sometimes I just sit with my family and talk. That's the best part of weekends. More freedom.
Friends, when you talk about your routine, try to include 3 main parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. Also mention 1 or 2 things you enjoy doing. This makes your answer more interesting and complete.
Yes. For example, instead of saying only, "I wake up, go to work, and sleep," you can add small details like, "I go for a walk," "I listen to podcasts while commuting," or "I read before sleeping." These small details make your English sound natural.
And remember, everyone's routine is different. Some people wake up early, some work at night. There is no perfect routine. The important thing is to talk about it clearly and confidently.
So viewers, we have a small challenge for you. In the comments, write about your daily routine in 5 to 6 lines. Tell us what time you wake up, what you do during the day, and how you end your day. We will read your answers and help you improve them.
Yes, please try it. Practicing in the comments is a great way to improve your writing and speaking.
Thank you so much for watching Daily Fluent English. If you found this episode helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.
Keep practicing English every day, and slowly your speaking will become more fluent and natural.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.